Hey guys, we're coming back from a listing appointment and traveling on 64 East, and wanted to show you these beautiful colors in the trees right now.
Yes. Yeah, so we just passed the Alta exit and we're nearing one of my favorite views from the interstate. Yes, get it clean, Byron.
Get clean.
So whenever I travel, I don't know about you, but when I see this view of the Greenbrier Valley, I know that I'm home, even though I'm not home. So we're about to come upon that shortly.
Yeah, and I think this might be the most beautiful day we're going to get in terms of weather-wise. It's, 70, perfect out. And then the colors, you got the reds popping right now, the orange. See that orange one, Carrie?
Yes.
Wow. So,
Byron, what's one of your favorite fall things to do in our community?
pumpkin patch, Hannah Farmstead.
Stole one of mine.
Oh, I did?
Go ahead.
Yeah, we get a fire pit. We go out there with a bunch of friends and make chili. And the colors are beautiful. And Hannah Farmstead, what did I say?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I did. And the views at Hannah Farmstead are spectacular.
Yes.
So, and then Miller's Haunted
Farm.
That might be my favorite. Carrie has never been.
I am so scared of that, but I am glad that people love it because the Millers are dear friends. So I don't like being scared. But there's a lot to do without being scared there too. They have fire pits and food, and they have 2 escape rooms as well.
How do you know that? You haven't been.
Because I know them and I hear them talking about it, and it's exciting for them.
Well, I picked mine too.
Okay. Well, the Hannah Farmstead was going to be one of mine because it truly is. I love pumpkins. I love that whole experience. Like getting your own pumpkin from the patch instead of like out of a bin at a store. With the hay rides and all the fun things. Oh, here's the view, which I'm looking at your camera and it doesn't do it justice, but it is spectacular. So just come visit us and we'll show you the view. So the Hannah Farmstead, and then downtown Lewisburg has been doing a lot of fun things this fall. So they have it decorated, the green space. They have it decorated really nice with different vignettes if you wanted to get photos done. And then they did downtown trick-or-treating on last Friday, which a group of my friends did with their kids. Unfortunately, mine got ill, but they had a really good time with that. And they're doing outdoor movies. So
that was cool. I walked past the outdoor movie that night and totally forgot it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I think I was the one who told everyone in our weekly What's Happening in Lewisburg, and it was really set up well.
Cool.
Yeah, so here's the views. Move here, you get to see them.
Yeah.
In a year.
In a year. You missed them now.
See you guys.
Bye.